Everybody, what's going on? It's Mr. Hino with Mr. Hino's LEGO Robotics, and I'm back again with two more missions for your Unearthed robot game. I'm hoping that this is encouraging for those of you that are just starting off. You don't have the most complicated robot. Here's the mission today. We're going to give you the point values and just see how this could be done. So today, I have my little notes here. We're going to be taking a look at mission number 6, Forge. Again, this is going to be close to the east base, and unlike some other mission models that are close, this one's close, and this one's definitely one that I think you should take advantage of. This is going to be worth 30 points. So here's all you do. Your robot's going to go ahead and release the red lever, and the ore blocks, if the ore blocks are on the mat, you will get 10 points for each ore block. You should get all 3 because they're all stacked and they should hit the mat. You get 10 points for each ore block that hits the mat. Okay, now we're going to jump into mission number 2. The map reveal. So there's 3 different sections to this, and here's how you're going to get your points. If your robot can remove the topsoil sections, there's going to be 3 sections. You're going to get 10 points per section. So you slide the left one over. You're going to slide the back one from the front to the back. And then the third one, you're going to use your robot to get the, I don't know what you call this. This is going to be your, it has the tether on it. You're just going to remove the tether from the topsoil tether from the model. And that should be 10 points for each one. The one that I think might be the toughest is the back one, where you have to slide it from the front to the back. Just my opinion, but I don't know. It's going to be up to you and your team. So now what I want to do, now that you know all the point values, I'm going to go ahead and get my educator robot and show you how each mission is done and how you get those points. Okay guys, so another successful 2 missions with a simple robot, educator robot. And so guys, it's just something that you and your team, have to figure out, what missions do we go for? We can make the attachments suit each model. And that's the, interesting thing is each mission kind of uses or utilizes a different attachment. You might have your robot go in a different direction. You might have a robot spin. You might have a motor. So it's just really cool to look at all the different missions and have your brain go, I might try something different, a different attachment. But like today's video shows, it doesn't have to be super complicated. Okay, guys, hopefully these videos are helping your team figure out, hey, what are we going for? How much time do we have for each mission? How many points are we trying to get? And hopefully your robot game is coming together. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I am Mr. Hino from Mr. Hino's LEGO Robotics. I'm out.
He's out.
He's out.
We got this.
We got this.
We got this, guys.
Hey guys, Mr. Hino here. Thank you so much for watching. And if you love robotics, don't forget to check out these videos also because they're cool. Okay guys, take care.